Hi then everyone, this is question 4 from the evaluation, and the question is, how did you use media technologies in the construction, research, planning and evaluation stage? To start off with, I would like to say how I used Wikipedia as one of my research tools, as well as Internet Explorer. Some of the tools that some of the examples we have are YouTube, Microsoft Office, Excel, Google, SlideShare, Word document, Facebook, Twitter, PowerPoint, and the blog itself. To start off with, I would like to talk about mobile phones and the importance of mobile phones when doing the filming. We use mobile phones for messaging between my partner called Zabi. We had our schedules, we put reminders. This helped us to time management and organize our project. That's a really important one. And secondly, I would like to talk about is the importance of the camera. We use this camera, Panasonic 20.4 megapixel camera. It's a really high quality camera as well. We had a tripod next to it as well, which we used to stabilize our videos to make it smooth as possible. Yeah, and moving on to our research. I have used Google Images for most of my researches, such as poster, magazine, trailer analysis. These all helped me to find examples of posters, example of trailers, and all other sort of things. Linking back to the YouTube, and the importance of YouTube is that YouTube allowed us to be able to share our clip on social networking, which people could also watch and get help from it as well, the A2 students too. When looking at it, you can see our trailer itself, and that's just named as A2 Media Studies Trailer Keeping Mr. Wrong. That was it, and the quality for it was 1080p when we was doing it from Adobe Premiere. Then we used this actually to edit the clip. We first, after recording everything, we had to place it on the program. Then after using effects, editing tools, lightning, all those other features from Premiere, Adobe CS5 I think, or CS6, and it helped us along our trailer. Moving on to our Photoshop. Photoshop was a really important one as well when editing our poster, magazine. When looking in depth to it, we used all these features from the magazine from Photoshop. We had to but use techniques from Photoshop to help us make our poster and magazine to look really realistic. And when you can see as well, we used from Photoshop, we used the text fonts, we used the lighting effects, the editings. You can all see that this all comes from Photoshop. When moving on to sharing our work, I use SlideShare as well as one of my evaluation questions. SlideShare was a really important one as well. It allowed me to share my work on the internet platform, so other students can also see it and also could get guidance from it as well. And it's a way of learning on the internet while watching clips, not clips but slides from other people's works. You can upload it through PowerPoint, any other sort of documents, and it will just be there as a slideshow. Really important. And that is, and coming back to lastly, the importance of Word document. Before putting up all my work to WordPress, I've used the Word document. I've typed all my work on Word document before putting it to the WordPress. This is because working on WordPress was kind of new to me, and I tried using the old technique and using WordPress. At the end of the day, I've realized the importance of WordPress, and you may not have WordPress, Microsoft Office in your computer, so you can just go on the internet, go on WordPress, and carry on your work from there. Then throughout the A2 Media studies, I have gained many skills such as learning SlideShare, how to use it, learning Photoshop. To finish off my evaluation question part, I just want to refer back to the question and see if I have really went over everything. When looking, how did you use media technologies? I use such as SlideShare, cameras, Word document, WordPress, Photoshop. These are all technologies within the internet. Construction are the camera, tripod, and all sort of things that helps you to record the actual trailer, the footage. Research I use, as I said, I use Wikipedia, I use Google Images, Google itself, and other and also mobile phone as well. Then when looking at planning and evaluating stages, and we used storyboard, the proposal, which helped us throughout the the trailer. It helped us what to do, what to follow, how to follow, and when to follow. Coming back to the risk assessment, which was really important, we carried that in our planning, pre-production mainly, which was an important section of our coursework as well. Planning, the risk assessment allowed us to be being more careful when doing the footage as well. I really think that was important. Evaluation stage, we used our online software, like an application sort of, to evaluate our questionnaire. We used it and we put the data and it just came up as a graph, and I think that was a useful thing as well, and it helped us to evaluate our trailer. Does it look right to the audience? Does the sound fit in with the images?